Hello friends, welcome to the Eklavya University. One system, all of IT career. The basic objective of our system is to provide a zero-based single window career assurance system to you to transform you as a IT industry ready candidate. If we analyze that, there are different types of trainees. Providing same type of study plan for all the people is not a prudent practice. That's why we have we are providing customized study plans for different types of trainees. Before understanding uh, these study plans, customized study plans, I want to brief you about our finishing program. Through this finishing placement program only, we would like to transform you as the IT industry ready candidate. This is the finishing program. Here, three levels are there. The first one is compatibility test. Actually, this is zero based C workshop without having any background, you can pursue this. And within 2 days of your endeavor, enable you to develop a solid C basic projects. This is matter of 2 days. 2 days. The basic purpose of this is you must understand the nature of the programming studies. There are millions of software career aspirants, but they should know what is the nature of programming studies, software studies, practically, not by descriptions. If you tell those are easy, those are difficult, those are moderate, there is no use at all. Practically, you should experience that. For that purpose, we have introduced this compatibility test. Just 2 days, and apart from that, numerous benefits you can derive by uh, attending this compatibility test. So you can know about yourself also what you can do within a span of 2 days, and you can get n number of benefits out of this. Elsewhere, I explain about this. So 2 days compatibility test. Once you pass the test, more than knowing your compatibility, you can understand what is the real nature of software studies, how they are in career oriented aspect, not in college oriented aspect. In college oriented aspect, simply you can buy heart and produce, you can get marks. But here, you must transform your knowledge into skills. How to get knowledge, how to transform into skills, programming skills, you can understand practically. So that is the basic purpose of introducing this compatibility test. Once you feel that you are compatible, then you can start this program. This program, entire program is 120 days. So that is called finishing program. This we are dividing in two parts. The first one is basic level, second one is advanced level or final level. The basic level, actually we dissected 20% of the entire finishing program horizontally and providing it to you, and for that necessary training, ebooks, tests, everything we provide, and we earmark 18 days for that. Why 18 days? Already this is part of this, this is subset of this. Totally you get 20 days. So within 20 days, you must prepare 4 modules. The 4 modules together, 20% of the finishing program. Then practically you should understand not only compatibility, you should study substantial part, 20% of the entire finishing program, and you should pass within the time frame. Within total 20 days, you should pass 4 tests. Then only you can understand the eligibility for the software career. That is the practical approach. And one thing here, one strategy, one basic objective is there. After completion of entire course, some examination is conducted, and if you are disqualified for that, then you are greatly disappointed. Your motivation is become zero. That's why we are providing in this stage, in these three stages, we are providing. So, if you pass this, thereafter test your eligibility, then 20 days, not a big period, then you can understand what are the real depth and the nature of the programming studies, and thereafter you write the test. If you pass this SCAT, software career eligibility test, you can certify yourself you are the right candidate for your aspiration of IT career. Then the same spirit, whatever spirit and endeavor, level of endeavor you are maintaining, the same thing you continue for another 100 days. 100 days, then the remaining 80% of the finishing program you complete. You complete, then 100% within 120 days you will become irrespective of your background, programming background, you will be transformed as IT industry ready programmer. That is the basic objective of this finishing program. This is the strategy. If you want to know the details, elsewhere I have given a very detailed explanation about the finishing program. Because before explaining customization, I want to brief this. That's why I am explaining it here. Thereafter, let us see the classification of trainees who will undergo the placement training, placement finishing program. Here, we can classify them into three groups: students, means college goers, graduates, and employed. Students, here in this context, one thing I have to tell you, I am always using word engineering graduates. Actually, engineering graduates are equivalent. Here, one thing I have to tell you, for us, even a school goer also okay. Even a school goer having little aptitude can follow this. 100% a school goer, by studying the system, you will become a programmer. But a school goer, a high school student, may not be taken by a software industry. They expect some maturity. Certain norms are there. That's why every time I am using engineering graduate. Okay, normally software industry prefers engineering graduates. Here, we are not bothering about IT stream. Any stream is okay for us, because even if the students belong to IT stream also, they would have studied only for college aspect, in college oriented aspect. That's why always their focus is on getting marks. That does not contribute anything for the sake of employability. That's why we are not taking into consideration of your stream. Any stream of engineering or the equivalent like BCA, MCA, or anything, okay for us, for the sake of industry, not for us. Okay, students are two types: final year students and pre-final students. Final year students means hardly they get 1 year time or 6 months time. They are in the last semester, they will have 6 months time. If they are in the last year, uh, they will have 1 year time. That's why they must prepare, strictly prepare in this aspect, or otherwise little leniently, at least within 1 semester period they have to complete that. A different study plan, meticulous study plan, stepwise we give for final year students, because this is serious group. Actually, once they are prepared and become a transformed as an industry ready candidate, they may be placed in the campus, or otherwise they leave the campus with the confidence, because I can choose an employer, because I got this, I acquired this employability. So they never leave the campus with disappointment or distress. With the confidence, they leave the campus, because they are in a position to serve the industry, IT industry. That's why we give a very time bound program for the final years, and that too within a semester period they must complete. Okay, for that a different checklist we give, they can follow that. Thereafter, pre-final. Pre-final means it may be first year, second year, third year, whatever semester. We cannot define it, and these people are less serious, because obviously because there is a lot of time for placement and all that. They are in enjoying mode. That's why for pre-final students also, what we suggest, if you follow that, for them one customized study plan we give, and they can complete that. Once they complete that as a pre-final student, their confidence is enriched, and because they are 100% place in the campus, or otherwise also elsewhere they can choose their employer. That's why we are providing different customized study plans for final year students and pre-final year students of any stream. Stream is immaterial for us because we are providing zero basis system. Next category, graduates. Actually, the presumption is they can prepare full time. Full time means I am not expecting 24 hours or 4 hours a day. Actually, one third of it, 8 hours a day. 8 hours a day, if they concentrate on the finishing program within 120 days. Within 120 days, they can complete entire finishing program, and if they want, they can get the international certification, OCAJP, Oracle Certified Associate Java Programmer. It provides them lot of exposure. So 120 days are enough, or any here also any stream of student. You don't bother because this is purely zero base. You don't expect any background. For them, this plan is accurately suitable. Compatibility test, software STET, thereafter finishing program of 120 days, and we are providing everything through LMS. That's why for every 1 hour of the study, they can monitor. They write a test, they write a unit test, module test, and subject oriented test, final certification test. Like that, they can prepare, and 120 days. In this context, one very important point I told, you may work for 8 hours or 10 hours a day, that is different, but mentally you should not be deviated. You develop a passion towards that, and we developed this course from the inception so as to enjoy yourself. Once you enjoy, you never have a look back. That's why how you can enjoy a subject, it may be for the first time, because when you are able to get instant result, automatically you start enjoying subject. That you can learn through this compatibility test. Just take it as a challenge, 2 days. And here one more point I have to tell you. Once you are placed in the software industry, you must work in time bound framework. You have to implement time bound programs. That's why that you learn here how to work in a time bound program and all that. In college oriented studies, whenever exams come and all that, you may be serious, thereafter you relax. That type of thing will not do. That type of model is maybe suitable for colleges. I am not encouraging it, but here you must work in a time frame. That's why from your when you are undergoing this program, you understand that. and for the graduates, it may be suitable, or otherwise if they have any time limitations or anything, they can modify their plans. But planning is very essential. They must complete within a time frame, that is very essential, and for graduates of any stream. Thereafter employed, many people who are employed are interested in IT field. IT field also two types: IT services, software development, IT product development, and other IT services. Actually, IT product development, that simply we call as software development, is the cream layer. Cream layer, it is highly paid. If you develop your own capabilities, you can start your own business. There is ample demand for that. If you are, if you have integrity, and if you are able to satisfy any client, you can start your own practice. Understand? You can get ample business, or otherwise, you can prove yourself as an indispensable person in an organization. So, employed we classify into two groups: who are in non-IT field, would like to migrate to IT field. So for them, a separate plan. It is totally workshop based uh, approach we are providing. And here one more challenge is there. Actually, what is their standard? In which area they are working? What is their background? What is their maturity? What is their age? All that we do not know. That's why we are giving a plan according to your uh, limitations or strengths. You can modify the plan. So, first category is who are belong to non-IT field would like to migrate to IT field. This is for them one study plan we give. And who are already working in IT field in other IT services wants to want to migrate to software development. For that also a separate plan we are giving. And and some other category who are interested in teaching, who wants to start their training institutions and all that. We for them also it is very much useful to update their knowledge. So here, who wants to migrate to software development or who wants to migrate to teaching field, we are providing customized plans. In this manner, you choose first where you are, in which category you belong. First, you have to decide. Thereafter, you have to study the study plan, and if any modifications are required because of your personal limitations and all that, you make the limitations for the study plan. And once you finalize the study plan, you must stick to the study plan. You should not deviate. Always, it should give an alarm to you. That type of practicable plan you follow, and our LMS, learning management system, helps you a lot to monitor your progress, because we have divided entire course into 1 hour study units. That's why for each study unit we are providing you 1 hour video lecture, corresponding ebook, and the unit test. That's why you can monitor every hour of progress, and you can control that. Suppose in a particular week you want to complete 20 units. Suppose by Thursday, if you start from Monday, by Thursday review how many units are over. 10 only are over. So another 10 you have to finish. Thereafter Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 3 days are there. You can finish remaining 10. Understand? In that way, you can have a weekly plan. It should not be daily plan. If a daily plan also, some disturbances may come, except for graduates. Graduates, they must follow a daily plan if they don't have any other avocations and all that. For other people and all that, they should have a weekly plan, and they have to modify it and control it in a suitable manner in order to reach the task within a time frame. So for the study plans, elsewhere you can watch my lecture, and you can take the material also. According to that, first you make up your mind, thereafter you start your finishing program.